will help you decide when outcomes for an event are equally likely or not. So question 1 says list all the possible outcomes for each experiment, then decide if the results are equally likely. You select a marble from a box with 5 white marbles, 8 red marbles, and 10 yellow marbles. So the outcomes, which remember means the sample space, are in this case the different colors we could get. So we could get white, red, or yellow. So those are our outcomes. Because we have different amounts of each color, these results are not equally likely. So these are not equally likely because we have different amounts of each color. Okay, looking at part B, if we spin this spinner once, our outcomes or our sample space is we could land on a shaded region or an unshaded region. When I look at the amount of the spinner that is shaded compared to the amount of the spinner that is unshaded, they are the same amount. So these results are equally likely. Looking at part C, we spin this spinner once. Our sample space, or our outcomes, are still landing on a shaded region or an unshaded region. But now, when we compare the amount of the spinner that's shaded to the amount of the spinner that is unshaded, we can see that these are not equally likely because the spinner has a greater amount that is shaded than is unshaded. It has a bigger area. Looking at part D, tossing a coin. Our sample space, or our outcomes, when you toss a coin, are either getting heads or tails. And as long as the coin is a fair coin, these would be equally likely. They have the same probability of happening. So equally likely in this case. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.